Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Colazzo, but most of my students call me Dr. C, so I hope you will also. Let's talk about why I love to read. Absolutely, growing up, loved reading. It was my escape. Now, I'm much older than I'm sure all of you, or the majority of you, so growing up, when I did, didn't have all the access to media that we do today. So I enjoyed escaping in books. My favorite book as a child was The Secret Garden. This classic tale takes you on an adventure through a secret garden. And I used to imagine that my yard was that secret garden and I could always escape what I thought was my mundane, boring life to escape. My favorite picture book was my favorite picture book was the Where the Wild Things Are. And of course, again, because I was had such a big imagination and I love that kind of escapist reality of escaping into another very exciting world, so much different than my own. So I still love to read kind of escapist texts. So my areas of interest, of course, I've been an elementary school teacher and I've been a literacy specialist with reading recovery. I've been an ESOL specialist and an administrator, so I've always loved reading and literacy. So my favorite genre would have to be for me as an adult is mystery. I love mystery and suspense. I love those kind of things that you have to solve and suss out and figure out. So I hope you enjoyed this module this week, these two weekly module one with A and B. I know it's so much. That's why we're only covering the having the discussion boards this week as your main assignments because there's just so much reading, reviewing to do this week. I would love for you to um, spend some time really going through the PowerPoints. They're all narrated that really go over everything. And then just review the readings and make sure you enjoy the read alouds, the YouTube read alouds that I have embedded into Module 1. And then do your 3. After this welcome video, you have 2 more discussion board prompts that you will do, and you will find those in your Module B PowerPoint presentation for you, the explanation of those. So that's it. I hope we have a wonderful adventure together. It's going to be very quick, but very fun, interesting reading and enjoying together. I can't wait to see your videos and hear all about your love, or maybe your dislike of reading. And if you love or dislike reading, think about your experiences, possibly when you were younger, most likely in school, and those experiences reading and how that might have impacted how you read now.